Dako naman tayo sa basketball sa Pilipinas. Makibalita tayo sa ikalawang araw ng aksyon sa Philippine Basketball Association dito sa report ni Maria Isabel Reyes. Rise and shine, Maria Isabel!
Matamis na panalo ang sumalubong kay New Phoenix Super LPG Fuel Masters head coach Topex Robinson nang talunin ng kanyang mga bataan ng Meralco Bolts 116-98 Lunes ng gabi sa Angeles University Foundation Gym. Nanguna sa opensa ng Fuel Masters si Best Player of the Game guard Matthew Wright na naglista ng 36 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists at 44% 3-point field goal shooting, habang nag-ambag naman ng combined 34 points at 14 rebounds ang big men combination ni Jason Perkins at Justin Chua. Maganda rin ang ipinakita ng buong Phoenix sa 3-point area nang pumukol ang mga ito ng 17 conversions mula sa 39 attempts para sa 43% shooting, malayo sa 25% ng Meralco.
Winning game 1 doesn't make us bubble champions. So winning our first game just means that if we're gonna do it right, the way we prepared it to be, we're gonna give ourselves a chance to win. So it doesn't really define who we are right now, but that just shows the promise that we have if we're gonna stick to our guns.
Kagaya ni Robinson, panalo rin ang resulta ng unang sabak ni Nash Racela bilang bagong head coach ng Blackwater Elite. Nagtala ng come-from-behind win ang Elite kontra Northport Batang Pier 96-89 sa second game ng Monday doubleheader. Matapos malamangan ng 9 na puntos sa halftime, bumawi ang Elite sa third period hanggang umabante na ang mga ito ng 14 na puntos, 79-65 at di na muli pang bumitiw sa kalamangan. Sinandalan ni Racela ang kanyang former FEU Tamaraw players na si Don Troliano na may 17 points at 10 rebounds at best player of the game Mac Belo na mayroon namang 16 markers at 6 boards.
It's good to be back, not just in the PBA but in the media room. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako makakabalik dito, but the last time I coached in the PBA was I guess two years ago. Before we left the dugout, my message to the whole team, especially the coaches, was to help me. I told them, parang medyo nakalimutan ko na kung paano mag-coach.
Doubleheader pa rin ang lalaro mamayang alas 4 ng hapon, kung saan magbabanggaan ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters at Philippine Cup defending champion San Miguel Beermen sa unang laban. At susundan naman ang Terra Firma Jeep kontra TNT Tropang Giga sa alas 6:45. Para sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas, Maria Isabel Reyes.